Hello and welcome to the course Introduction to MEMS. This is a course where we are going to discuss more on MEMS fabrications, MEMS sensors, MEMS transducers. This is a video lecture created by a university startup run by the students named wissenhilfe. Our aim is to develop a student community to help other fellow students all around the world. I request you to join our cause and help us grow with it. This is a 3 weeks course, a short and a brief introduction to MEMS and how it has changed the world and how it will change the world. Thank you once again for selecting this course. MEMS has a brief history. It came to spotlight in the year 1950s. Then, in the year 1995, BioMEMS started to flow. The first meme which was created was string gauge. There was an open challenge to every people in the city for around $1,000 if they were able to construct some mechanical system of this size. What is MEMS actually? MEMS is a process technology which is used for creating integrated system, that is a combination of electronic and mechanical devices. Mostly you would have seen some MEMS transducers, MEMS sensors which are in application today. Example for such a thing is avionic sensors and then splitters and couplers in communication. Well, pacemaker is another one of the examples. From my side, I believe biomedical sensors, that is the biomedical sensor MEMS, are more important. Their size ranges from few micrometer to millimeter. Sensing with MEMS has a great impact in microscale as well as a great effect in macro scale. This is compared as the most promising technology of the 21st century. MEMS is a combination of micro actuators, micro sensors, microelectronics, and structures. From the given diagram, you can see how this is working and how it's being combined together to form as a MEM. In general, we can say MEM is a subset of MS. What is MST? It's a microsystem technology which was coined by the Europeans and it's still considered so. When it goes to Chinese, people call it the micro mechanical systems. In the following picture, you can see how the micro mechanical system has been designed. Past fabrication technology is used to create a paradigm of designs and complex mechanical devices into a system, into a small size system. As I said, in general, I would call MEMS as a subset of microsystem technology. So, to see how it's like a subset, here is the Venn diagram to describe it. Thank you.